Welcome to Manara. It's a kibbutz next to the border of Lebanon, and until today it was closed to the public, and it's still closed to the public, but here we are entering to visit the kibbutz. In October 7, the Gazan terrorist people entered to Israel, and this is south of Israel. This is we are at the northern part of Israel. 70% of the houses of the kibbutz, 280 people, been destroyed. You can see the United Nations camp that actually ran away at the same day. And the border is it's very strange to say. It's only 300 feet, 100 meters from here. The border is right there, and everyone with a gun could actually came to here, and the Manara suffer a lot, not only now, through history. It was crazy to live here, but look at the view, look at the green colors here. The most important thing of Manara is the location. It's actually control all the area. Then the Hezbollah of Lebanon, the terrorists of Lebanon, aim to here. You can see the border, very easy. Yeah, that's a border. If you see the blue thing, it's before that. You can see the fence of it. Unbelievable, isn't it? And the people of Manara live like that every day from 1933. And look at the buildings. The rocket actually hit that building. Oh, someone is taking a video. And the tour guide, which is actually lives here, said, "Don't worry, there are a million houses like that. It's only the first one. We will get rid of it." We are at the southern neighborhood. That was the main neighborhood. And because they wanted to grow, they had to grow, they decided to build the neighborhood close to the border, which wasn't a good idea. Now we know it. Look how beautiful it is. And this is a kiva, but look at the building right there. Right here. Wow. You know, I'm reading about it, but now you can see it. The idea was to occupy that kibbutz and to reach Haifa, which is almost the center of Tel Aviv, of Israel. Those buildings that you are actually looking at will be destroyed, and they will build it from the beginning. Look at that. The thing that I'm doing was totally crazy at October 2023, because they could shoot you. You can see the border right here in front of you. Something with Bell. This is the village that most of it is not exist, but the red building was hospital. And my friend, IDF found there so many missiles, so many terrorist organizations, but still we didn't destroy that hospital. Although if you ask me, I'm not sure that it's supposed to be here, but you can see the village itself, as I believe, not so exist. And what, you know, I'm standing here and someone from Lebanon can shoot me. You can see the United Nations area right here, and of course everything was burned down. The houses here are not exist anymore. You can see the damage all over. Today, only 5 families are here and a few more adults. The people are a little bit afraid to reach that place, mainly because look at the houses. The option is almost impossible. The one who actually, the families who came back are at the other side, which at the end, next to the entrance, nothing happened to it. I'm walking here at Manara with Uriel, which is a guy who actually lives here. The others are tour guides. We are studying. This is the first time that I'm visiting the northern part of Israel after October 7. And we are climbing to the highest point of Manara. And he promised us that it's going to be something special. Then don't go away. Meanwhile, please subscribe to my channel. I have more than 21,000 videos of Israel. More than that. Almost about every subject. There's no bomb shelters at Manara. Crazy, just like Iftar. And you can see one of the shelters, but you know, you have, let me ask him. Usually it's like a boom and then you hear the alarm, the siren. Then in that case, I'm not sure that the shelters are the best option, because you know, you don't have time to hide from it. Then we're entering to the shelter. And if something will, that used to be the pub. That used to be the pub of the kibbutz. Oh.
ברוכים הבאים לפארק, חבר'ה. למה תפתחי את האורות האלה?
Oh, look at the drums. Oh, spooky! A little bit more romantic. I don't know if you can see it, but the soldiers used to live in that area for so many months, and now they're young people, and he is not from the kibbutz. Is doing a service here. The young people got the message that we have to bring back the people, mostly young people, to here. The first thing that they are doing is organizing the pub. Then in about a week, that pub will be open to the public, and he believes that young people will come back to Manara and to build that place.